Hi everyone, I'm Christine Joy Rivera and I'm going to discuss about folding clothes, steps on how to fold a shirt, and steps on how to pack laundered items. So, folding clothes. Folding is an art and doing it correctly can help us to become organized. It helps us to prevent garments from wrinkling, and therefore it can also avoid re-ironing, re-washing, and drying. So before you start folding, the garment must be flat and wrinkle-free, and the fabric must remain nicely spread out throughout the folding process in order to keep the garment from creases. As you can see in the picture, it shows the steps on how to fold a shirt. First is folding shirt button, the top and third button. Second, lay the shirt face down. Third, smooth out the shirt so it is flat on the front and back. Fourth is, the first fold is always right side una. So fold about 1/3 of the body towards the center of the shirt. Then, fold line starts at the center of the shoulder and ends at the tail. So fifth, neatly fold the sleeve forward, creating an angled fold at the shoulder. The sleeve should line up with the edge of the first body fold. Sixth, fold the left side in the same manner. Seventh, make a fold of several inches of the shirt tab. Eighth, fold up the bottom half of the partially folded shirt. The tail should be just behind the collar of the shirt. And lastly, turn the entire shirt over. Packing laundered items. When delivering guest articles, some will be folded while others are placed on hangers. Folded articles are put together in a laundry bag or box with a room number written on it. For hanging articles, put a label indicating the name of guest and room number. So these are the steps on how to pack laundered items. First, check for quality of the finished laundry or dry cleaning. Second, make sure that the correct number of pieces on guest laundry list is ready to be returned. Third, follow complete records and billing information in accordance with enterprise procedures. Fourth, package and present guest laundry in accordance with enterprise standards and procedures. Wrap the laundry box and put a piece of your property's giveaway. So fifth, for folded items, attach the laundry slip by sticking on the box in a visible manner. Sixth, for hanged items, put a tie label indicating the name of the guest and room number. So seventh, return finished items to guests in accordance with required time frame. Lastly, store processed guest laundry when required, according to guest request, or when returning the laundry items to guests is not possible. So that's all. Thank you.